I teach the construction program at Auburn Career Center. Our students will go through residential and commercial construction processes through their junior and senior year.
I went into construction and I chose it because I think it is an interesting program where if there is damage that you have around your house, you fix it.
The goal for our students upon graduation is to gain entry-level experience in the construction field or continue their education into project management at the college level.
I would be going into the workforce and going into construction because they are going to make a lot of money and they are in high demand.
Our industry is growing and this is a very unique opportunity to start in this industry as our wages are higher than ever. There's more opportunities locally and at the national level for construction workers.
I get to use my creativity and put it onto my projects. Like the project we're making right now, I can add stuff to it. Like it can't just be all basic. I can add like parts to it and make it more interesting or unique.
Our program is growing into a more modern and technology-based industry. So for those who are technologically advanced, it's important to be able to train new employees in newer ways, newer methods, and as the industry evolves and grows.